Hey all, welcome to ShareTreck. This is Raj here. Friends, I told you that I had a kind of thought process about Tesla and I wanted to discuss with you guys and get your feedback. Of course, I don't have any Tesla stocks right now, but what I'm thinking is that I just saw a new headline and it set my thoughts a bit racing about Tesla. I want to share that with you first so that you know what I'm talking about. And here is the headline. It says Trump plans to appoint Musk as Secretary of Cost Cutting. Okay, so we don't know how serious Trump is about this because Trump may say something and may do something else or may forget it totally. But if you go back to the history, when Trump became president first time around, he created a so-called round table of CEOs from whom he was going to take advice on how to run things. But within a short period of time, it became very dysfunctional and Elon Musk was among the first to resign from that council of ministers and go away. And later on, what happened is that when Biden became president, Biden was more focused on General Motors and did not give that much attention to Elon Musk. And then Elon Musk was complaining for a short period of time about not being recognized. So that's the background that I remember. And now what has happened is Elon Musk has openly come out as a dark MAGA. That's the term he used in the rally. He spoke in the rally in support of President Trump.
As you can see, I'm not just MAGA, I'm dark MAGA.
So traditionally, CEOs have stayed in the background. Of course, they may fund, they may do lobbying efforts and other things, but they never came into a rally and started talking in support of a candidate or the other. So this is a big departure. The other aspect is that Elon Musk already has got a whole bunch of ventures for which he's responsible. So you have SpaceX, the Boring Company, and then you have Tesla and X, and then you have XAI. So many things going on. Now, if he becomes part of the ministry or part of Donald Trump's administration and is in charge of cost cutting, I'm thinking, how much can a CEO do? The feeling I get basically when I look at both Trump as well as Elon Musk is a sense of entitlement. Like as shareholders, right? If I was holding shares of a company, I would expect the CEO to dedicate their time to the company because they are being paid big bucks. And when we talk about big bucks, Elon Musk got $55 billion, not million, billion. That's the highest payout ever, orders of magnitude over any of the highest paid CEOs in history of corporate America. So shouldn't Tesla deserve undivided attention from Elon Musk? Especially given the fact that the full FSD is not yet achieved, a robotaxi is going to come up later. All these aspects. So that's a big risk factor because Elon Musk, I think, has lost his way. The other factor that I would keep in mind is that Elon Musk, if he is going to lose money on X, will need to sell more Tesla shares in order to meet his obligations. And that would mean that Tesla shares will fall again. And then probably later on, he may come back again for a multi-billion-dollar pay package. And despite doing all of these things, he let go of all of Tesla's H100 chips from NVIDIA and gave it to X, which is his own enterprise. X doesn't belong to Tesla. So that event happened. It seems that the board of directors don't have any control and board of directors are not fulfilling their responsibilities. And I think, of course, I'm not going to invest in Tesla. I have taken out my money. I suffered losses. But it makes me wonder what is happening at the top of Tesla and what is the SEC doing and what is the government doing in terms of monitoring these kind of entities. And if you look at the other aspect of Elon Musk, right, he gave Skylink to Ukraine. And then when there was a critical point where Ukraine was attacking some Russian ships, the reports are that Elon disconnected the Skylink and they couldn't complete the attack. So doing things like this outside of government control, like at any point of time, there is only one president for United States, and that president determines what aid and support to give to which country and when. When an actor like Elon Musk decides to give Skylink to Ukraine, then Ukraine, definitely being in the midst of a war, is going to use it. and then putting your weight on the scales in favor of one or the other drags the country into a conflict. So Elon Musk has done those kind of things also. So at this point of time, I'm thinking that if the SEC doesn't step in and start putting some sense into the board of directors, then the reputation of US as a place where we have a really well-managed corporate structure for raising capital and deploying capital is going to come under strain. So that is my thought. What do you guys think about it? Because this is the way I see it, and I would like to invite your comments. Also, if you think that this is all right, then I would like to hear your logic as well, because maybe I'm wrong in thinking about it this way. Because throughout my career, I did an MBA, and even during the training, we had a subject of corporate social responsibility. And what I learned basically is that the board of directors are the custodians, and they're going to take care of the interests of the shareholders, and they're going to make sure that everything works properly and advise the CEO. So at this point of time, it seems to me that the board of directors at Tesla are AWOL. And if you recollect, we had similar situation with Illumina, where Illumina went ahead and took over Grail, and the board supported the CEO, and then we had the activist investor coming in. So there was a whole lot of things happening. So this is not the first time it has happened. I'm not saying it is unusual as far as the board activities are concerned, but what Elon Musk is doing as a CEO is very, very unusual, and that could attract a lot of negative attention for the company and its products, and therefore its earnings. That's my premise, and I would like to hear from you guys. If you think that I'm mistaken, I would really like to get your feedback. Put it in the comment section. I'll catch up with you again. Bye for now.